Got a computer? Ever wondered what makes it tick? Or perhaps you're curious about how to build one from scratch? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of computer hardware, from the very basics to the intricacies of networking. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on your knowledge, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Building a computer might seem daunting at first, but it's a lot like assembling a puzzle. Each piece has its place, and once you understand how they all fit together, it becomes a straightforward process. So, let's get started with the basics. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Computers are made up of several key components, each playing a crucial role in the overall functionality of the system. Understanding these components is the first step in mastering computer hardware. Computers are made up of several key components: the CPU, motherboard, RAM, storage, power supply, and GPU. Each of these components has a specific function and is essential for the computer to operate efficiently. The CPU, or central processing unit, is like the brain of your computer, executing instructions and processing data. It's responsible for carrying out all the tasks that make your computer run. Think of it as the decision maker, handling everything from simple calculations to complex algorithms. Now let's move on to the motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the components. It's the backbone of your computer, providing the necessary connections and pathways for data to travel between the different parts. Without the motherboard, the components wouldn't be able to communicate with each other. Think of it as the computer's backbone. It houses the CPU, RAM, and other essential components, ensuring they work together seamlessly. The motherboard also includes slots for expansion cards, allowing you to upgrade your system with additional features like better graphics or improved sound. RAM, or random access memory, temporarily stores data your computer is currently using, making it super fast to access. It's like your computer's short-term memory, allowing it to quickly retrieve information needed for running applications and processes. More RAM means better multitasking. If you often run multiple applications simultaneously, having more RAM can significantly improve your computer's performance. Next up, storage. You've got two main types, HDDs and SSDs. Storage is where all your data, from the operating system to your personal files, is kept. The type of storage you choose can have a big impact on your computer's speed and performance. HDDs, or hard disk drives, are cheaper but slower. They use spinning disks to read and write data, which can make them more prone to mechanical failures. However, they offer larger storage capacities at a lower cost, making them a good choice for storing large amounts of data. SSDs, or solid-state drives, are faster and more reliable. They use flash memory to store data, which allows for quicker access times and better overall performance. SSDs are also more durable since they have no moving parts, making them less susceptible to damage from physical shocks. Opt for an SSD if you can. While they may be more expensive, the speed and reliability they offer are well worth the investment. Now let's talk about the power supply unit, or PSU. The power supply unit, or PSU, provides power to your PC. It's responsible for converting the electricity from your wall outlet into a form that your computer can use. Without a reliable PSU, your computer wouldn't be able to function. Make sure it matches your component's power needs. Choosing the right PSU is crucial, as an underpowered unit can lead to system instability and potential damage to your components. Always check the power requirements of your hardware and select a PSU that can provide sufficient wattage. And finally, the GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, handles all things visual. It's responsible for rendering images, videos, and animations, making it an essential component for gaming, graphic design, and video editing. Essential for gaming or graphic design. A powerful GPU can significantly enhance your computer's ability to handle complex visual tasks, providing smoother gameplay and faster rendering times. Now let's talk networking. To get online, you need a network interface card, or NIC. This component allows your computer to connect to a network, enabling you to access the internet and communicate with other devices. This can be wired or wireless. Wired connections using Ethernet cables offer faster and more stable connections, making them ideal for tasks that require high-speed internet, such as online gaming or streaming. Wired connections are faster and more stable, while wireless offers flexibility. Wireless connections, on the other hand, provide the convenience of mobility, allowing you to connect to the internet from anywhere within the range of your Wi-Fi network. And that's your crash course on computer hardware and networking. We've covered the essential components that make up a computer and how they work together to create a functional system. Understanding these basics is the first step in building and maintaining your own PC. Ready to build your own PC? With this knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming a computer hardware expert. The process of building a computer can be incredibly rewarding, giving you a deeper appreciation for the technology we use every day. Stay tuned for more detailed videos on each component. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each part, providing step-by-step guides and tips to help you build and optimize your own system. Happy building!